Okay, today we're going to try to put this AC, just a little 5,000 BTU window shaker, and try to put that, or we are going to put that, inside the back here, behind this door. So this door, I'm just going to make it hang up. Probably just put a piece of wire right there, just something simple. And then I think I'm going to take that 2x2 laying on the ground there and make a little frame inside and slide it in there and see what I have to block off here. And I bought some foam or something. We'll see how big the hole is. The reason I'm doing this way is because I didn't want a heavy AC on the roof and clearance issues, weight issues, and I want to be able to take this out easy. Just pop it in and out, take it out and put it in the back of my truck, because it hanging on the back, I don't like that idea, and I don't plan on using it that much. So if I can put it in 5 minutes, and pull it out in 5 minutes or less than that, that's awesome. So let's do this. So this is all I did inside, or just for now, is just screwed this 2x2 here, and then put this little piece of 1" here on the top. It's not the best, but it'll definitely hold it, no problem. And if comes down to use this more often, I'll probably either put it right through this door permanently, or right through one of the other openings and get a cover for it so it's not in the elements. But I'd rather not have it hanging off the back. So let's put it in. Top in first. Slide it in. Just like that. Bam. And it snaps into place. And then I just take this piece of foam, plug in. Pieces of foam. Set that back down if you want. Or leave it up, whichever. They're pretty simple. That way this isn't hanging off the back. It's only 35 pounds, but it's kind of nice to have it to where it'll just go in the back of the truck. If I didn't take this thing off road, I probably wouldn't be as concerned about it, but it knows you go bouncing over rocks, the whole back of the trailer jumps off the ground, so not a good thing. And what I'm powering it with is this, my favorite generator. Honda 3000. It is the best. Well, for little stuff like this. It's nice and quiet. Doesn't make your neighbors mad. So this is the inside. It's not finished yet or anything. It's just temporary, just to see how this works. But you can see the top there. You just need something for this bracket to capture, and then it just slides on top of that. Took only about a minute to put in and push some foam blocks in, so, and it quickly cooled down this trailer.